Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. Today, I'm going to use the Microsoft Immersion Reader within Canvas to read a Canvas page. I currently have a Canvas page open, and this is important to know because the Immersive Reader only works on Canvas pages and not within assignments or quizzes or other content within Canvas. Additionally, it does not read things like alternate text or play any videos that may be on the page. This is simply a reader that can read out loud, and to launch it, I'm going to select Immersive Reader in the top right corner. And this brings me to the page that's been slightly reformatted so that it can be read aloud. Now, there are some voice settings we can set, which will help us determine how fast we want the reader to read, and we can choose a male or female voice. And when we're ready, we can hit the play button to have it read aloud.
Cognitive load and learning theory resources. Cognitive load theory.
And the reader will go through all of the text and it will highlight the individual words as it goes. Now there are some additional features in the top right corner where we can set the text sizes of the font. We can change the different font styles, and we can change the different color contrast themes behind the text. This is very useful for people that may have any problems with vision. Next, we can select the grammar options, and we can choose to highlight different components of nouns, verbs, adjectives, or adverbs within the text itself. So this is really useful for people who are ESL and for a variety of complex subjects. Last but not least, we can change the reading preferences with things like line focus so that it will read one sentence at a time. This is very useful for people with cognitive disabilities, and it can add a lot of power to the reading experience. Additionally, you can have the content translated into a different language by selecting one of the drop-down languages. And there's a built-in picture dictionary. So when we select one of the words, like this word theory, we have the ability to play the word out loud, or we can visually get an image of what that word means. Again, this is useful for people with cognitive disabilities and can help make a connection for those who are ESL. Some of the downsides of the Immersive Reader is that you can't change pages within it. You actually have to exit the reader, click next page, and then you can read. Also, it doesn't engage with videos, links, or really any third-party content, so it is best used for pages within Canvas that have a lot of readable text. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.